Bona tarda. Good afternoon, everybody. Com esteu? I cannot hear you. How are you? Woo! Perfect. Esteu preparats per la pantomime d'aquest any? Sí? D'acord. Sabeu què? A la pantomime d'aquest any ens trobem en un món amb dues cares molt diferents. Per una banda, hi ha els humans normals, com vosaltres i com jo mateixa, i de l'altra banda hi ha el món dels mags. Els mags que viuen amb pocions, amb varetes màgiques, amb escombres. Sí. Sabeu, coneixeu en Harry Potter? Qui coneix el Harry Potter? Raise your hand. Doncs els mags són anteriors al Harry Potter. La història que us explicarem avui passa molt abans. Som a l'any 1921. Long time ago. I ens trobem a la ciutat de Nova York, que està a Amèrica. És un moment que Nova York està molt poderós i s'està convertint en una de les ciutats més importants de tot el món. Però sabeu què passa? Dins del món dels mags n'hi ha algun que és una mica malvat. Què passa? Els mags tenen poders màgics, oi que sí? I sempre han viscut tranquils entre els humans i portant la màgia en secret. Però hi ha un mag molt malvat que vol dir que té molts poders i fer-se l'amo de tot el món. Això vol dir que començaran a haver-hi problemes. Imagineu-vos, enmig de tota aquesta tensió, el nostre heroi, que me n'he oblidat, que tenim un heroi nosaltres. Es diu Newt Scamander. És un magizòleg. Magizòleg, jo no ho havia sentit mai. Doncs mireu, en Newt s'ocupa de viatjar per tot el món buscant criatures fantàstiques. En té moltes. Les agrupa, les porta cap a casa i les posa dins d'una maleta màgica. Aviam, us preguntareu vosaltres, com posarem una criatura fantàstica així de gran dins d'una maleta? Perquè és màgica, clar que sí! En aquesta maleta és l'entrada del seu zoològic de bèsties fantàstiques. En Newt se les estima moltíssim i les cuida molt. Sí que és veritat que alguna d'aquestes bèsties és una mica trapella i sempre es vol escapar. Sabeu què? En Newt ja té totes les bèsties fantàstiques dins la seva maleta. Tan sols n'hi falta una, que es diu Thunderbird. N'hi ha poquíssims al món. I en Newt ha sentit que el Thunderbird està a Amèrica. Doncs què ha fet? Ha agafat la seva maleta i cap a Amèrica que se n'ha anat. Però sabeu què passa? El 1921, per entrar a Amèrica, és supercomplicat. Has de portar un munt de papers, omplir documents i, a més, pagar molts diners. Però, veurem si el Newt se'n surt. A més, me n'he oblidat. Us en recordeu de l'Archie i l'Alice, els nostres exploradors de l'acadèmia? Doncs també són a Amèrica. La directora de Cambridge School els ha enviat allà a veure si podrien obrir una nova acadèmia. Per tant, tenim el Newt i l'Alice i l'Archie, que són a Amèrica. Anem a veure què passarà? M'hi acompanyeu? Yes? Come on, let's go!
Wow! Look, Alice, we're finally here, the USA. But are you sure this is a good place to look for an English academy? I think they already speak English here.
Of course, Archie. Look, here are some students that look like they could be wanting to learn English.
Hello. Hello, what's your name?
My name is the Donald Trump.
And what do you want to be when you grow up, Donald?
I am going to be the more rich and most powerfulest man in the world.
Don't you mean the richest and the most powerful man in the world?
Yes. Yes.
What, you mean like the President of America or something?
Yes.
Well, I'm afraid if you want to do that, you might want to work on your grammar first.
No. You'll see. I'll win bigly without your grammar.
Maybe we can find someone else who wants to learn English. Hello. Do you speak English?
No.
Would you like a beginner's class?
No.
Oh, come on, Archie. It's going to take us ages to get through security.
Hello. I'm here to visit America.
We are all visitors in immigration together. Feel free to search me and look through my bag. There are no drugs or cigarettes. It's all authorized. We've all come to visit America. Soon we'll be happily board in a Greyhound to Brooklyn. It's the American dream for us now. Here is my passport, please give me a visa. We've all come to visit America. Checking photographs coincide with our faces. Checking the man in the gabardine suit's not a spy. Bulletproof counters, armed agent security cameras. There's so much paperwork, all this bureaucracy's crazy. We started the process an hour ago. So I stand in another queue. I'm about to scream. We've all come to visit America. Soon I'll be happily board in a Greyhound to Brooklyn. It's the American dream for us now. Here is my passport, please give me a visa. We've all come to visit America. We've all come to visit America.
I think that's everything.
Have you got your paperwork, your documentation, your passport, your tickets, your permit to travel, your travel fees, your permit to pay travel fees, your application form for permit to pay travel fees, 2 passport-sized photographs, and permit to have an application for permit to pay travel fees?
I have everything but the last thing.
You have to fill in this form, with your documentation, your ID number, your bank details, your permit to travel number, signature, 2 more passport-sized photographs, your favourite pizza topping. Then you go to the nearest bank. You wait there for 30 minutes. You pay the fee, you get the stamp. You come back, you wait again for 45 minutes to make an appointment. And then we can issue it to you, if we feel like it.
Okay. Is there any way that I can do this quicker?
No.
This'll take too long. I guess I'll have to use magic. Confundus! Hello. Everything is here.
Everything is here.
Yes, it is.
Whoa. Please put this. All right.
My passport.
Passport. Please do stand over here, sir. All right. Arms wide open. Very good.
Excuse me. Don't touch that. Excuse me.
Turn around, sir.
Sir, don't open that. Don't. What? No.
Please come down.
Please don't.
Wow! What on earth was that?
Hello, are you okay? Do you know what those things were?
Yes. What's that? They're my magical creatures. And they've all escaped.
Magical creatures? What do you mean, magical?
They're magic. And they're dangerous. And they're out of their habitat. I must find them.
But where did they go?
Hang on. Magic? He said magic. Alice, there's no such thing as...
Oh, that was fantastic! I can never get him to shut up. So, magic is real?
Yes, magic is real. But it's very, very dangerous. Especially with those fantastic beasts who are now roaming across New York. It'll be a disaster.
Oh, but we can help you, right, Archie? Archie?
Unmute us!
Help me! Hello? What did you do to me?
Sorry, but I don't have time. We have to find those magical creatures. They could be anywhere, and they won't want to be recaptured, okay?
But we'll need all the help we can get.
Yes.
Maybe you can help us. If you see a fantastic beast, then you say, "Look behind you!" What? What?
Come on!
Quick!
We have to get them!
Què ha passat? Quin drama! Totes les bèsties fantàstiques de Newt s'han escapat. Què farem? Carai, per sort, en Newt té l'Alice i l'Archie que l'ajudaran. Però, escolta, ara aquí penso, tots vosaltres també el podeu ajudar. Aviam, què heu de dir si veieu una fantàstic vista a l'escenari? Look behind you! Practiquem? 3, 2, 1, look behind you! Perfecte! Em sembla que sou uns grans ajudants. Molt bé, well done. De tota manera, ara que els nostres superherois estan buscant les bèsties fantàstiques, és hora de que us expliqui, que us presenti algú més que hi ha en aquesta història. L'Ali i l'Oli. Són del món dels màgics, són una bruixa i un bruixot. Però sabeu què? No els agrada gaire la gent dels humans. I com que saben que tenen poders màgics, sempre se n'empesquen alguna perquè volen controlar tot el món. No sé pas què faran ara mateix, però sempre en pensen algun pla malvat. Veiem-ho.
Look at this, Ali. Local community celebrates after cat is rescued from a tree. How do the Nomads survive with no magic in their lives? It's pathetic. Nomads are just awful. No spells, no potions. Honestly, it's like they enjoy living in misery. What do you think, Ali?
Well, Ollie, I can't talk right now. I'm trying to concentrate on this potion.
Potion? But what is it anyway? You've been working on it for hours. What you got cooking? Yeehaw!
Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me?
Hey, sweet baby, pass me the gravy. This is my latest brand new recipe. I need the legs of a spider and the skin of a fox, a burnt booty butter and some holy calzots.
Like sick. It wouldn't win a prize on MasterChef. Say, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me?
I need the eye of a newt and the tongue of a frog, the blood of a bat and the tail of a dog.
It looks like sick, it's slimy and warm. All we need now is a unicorn horn. Say, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How about cooking something up with me? How about cooking something up with me? Yeehaw!
I'm making a mind control potion. If a nomad takes it, they'll do everything we tell them to. They'll be completely mindless, just the way they should be.
Well, that's brilliant, Ali. I've never heard of that potion before.
I know! I found it in this old book. But I can't seem to get it right. The recipe says we need a unicorn horn to complete it, but obviously we don't have any of that. I've been trying to substitute it with other things, but it just won't work.
Oh, Ali, honestly, of course it's not going to work with these other ingredients. Where are we going to get a unicorn horn from anyway? Have you got a unicorn horn? No? What about you? Have you got a unicorn horn? No, I didn't think so. And how are we going to get the Nomads to take it? That'll never work, honestly. Oh.
Well, We don't need to get them to drink it. Actually, we just need to get them to touch it. That'll be enough for it to work. All we need is to find a way to get all of the people in the city together at the same time.
What did you say? All together at the same time?
Yes.
But Ali, look at this. In 2 days' time, it will be New Year's Eve. The city of New York is organizing a firework display. Practically everybody will be outside looking up at the fireworks. All we need to do is to get that potion into every rocket, and when they go up in the air and explode, it'll fall on all the nomads, and the whole of the city will be ours.
Yes, Ollie, that's amazing. It's perfect. But we still have the problem of the missing ingredient. Where are we going to get a unicorn horn from?
Good question. I've no idea, Ali. No idea.
Well, you're no help, give me that. Get out of my sight, you useless bum!
Què us han semblat l'Ali i l'Oli? Heu vist que estan preparant una poció màgica? Quin parell de ganàpies que estan fets, eh? Sempre intenten trobar la manera de controlar els nomags. Se'ls ha ocorregut un pla malvat. Volen fer una poció màgica perquè la nit de Cap d'Any posar-la dins dels coets i pum! Quan explotin els focs artificials, caigui tota la poció màgica damunt de la gent de Nova York i així els puguin controlar tots. Però, per sort, els hi falta un ingredient. L'ingredient que es troba a la banya de l'unicorn. Esperem que no el trobin.
Money makes the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. Money makes the world go round and makes the world go round. A mark, a yen, a buck or a pound, a buck or a pound, a buck or a pound. That's all that makes the world go round. That clinking, clanking sound that makes the world go round. If you happen to be rich and you feel like a night's entertainment, you can pay for a gay escapade. If you happen to be rich and alone and you need a companion, you can ring ting-a-ling for the maid. If you happen to be rich and you find you were left by a lover and you moan and you've grown quite a lot, you can take it on the chin, call a cab and begin to recover on the 14-carat yacht. What? Money makes the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. Money makes the world go round. Of that we all are sure. So why are we all Money makes the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. Money makes the world go round. Of that we all are sure. So why are we all
Wow, a bank. Newt, why are we at a bank? Fantastic Beasts don't need money, do they?
No. We are looking for a niffler. And nifflers love shiny things, especially gold.
Wow.
Gold? I mean, I can't see any gold. Maybe we should join that queue over there?
Good idea. Let's join the queue.
What? Where's my gold? Where's my watch?
The niffler. He's definitely here. He must be hiding.
Where? Okay, I think we need to lay a trap for the niffler.
Ah, good idea. We need a trap. Here's what we'll do. Alice, Archie, you take this gold. You leave the gold in a trail leading to the counter. Okay. And in the meantime, I'll hide behind the counter and catch him when he comes round.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Huh? Look! The niffler!
Where? Where?
Where did he go?
Where did he go? Over here?
This way?
Over here? Ah. Hello?
Look, there he is!
Niffler!
Kahoot!
Wow, that was amazing! Look! A real magical animal.
Yes.
Look, Archie.
They're real, all right. However, this is just the one. There are so many more we have to capture. There's the llama. There's the unicorn. There's just so many. I can't remember any of them. Come on. I think I know someone who can help.
Okay, let's go.
A wizard? Looking for magical creatures? I should tell Ali and Ollie about this.
Ja no sé ni... Heu vist? Els nostres herois ja han trobat la primera bèstia fantàstica, en Niffler, que n'és de bufó i tan suau i dolç, però l'heu vist? És un lladregot, li agrada molt tot allò que brilla. Ha robat braçalets, rellotges i monedes. Per sort, l'han pogut capturar. En Niffler és tan dolç que bé, ja el tenen. De tota manera, ens en queden molts de bèsties fantàstiques per capturar. I com hem d'ajudar en Newt, l'Archie i l'Alice a capturar-los? Què hem de dir? Aviam... Look behind you! Well done! Vosaltres sí que sou fantàstics!
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Oh no, not again!
What? Still not working? That's the 10th time you've tried it, you daft lump.
Yes, thank you, Ollie. I think I know. Have that.
Take that. Take that.
Stop! What are you doing?
She started it.
You're acting like idiots. What would the boss say if he knew you were wasting all these ingredients like this?
Well, at least we've been working on a plan. What have you been doing? Playing with the Nomags.
I've been spying on them, actually. You know me, always got my ear to the ground. And a good job, too. I can tell the boss about the new guy in town.
New guy? What new guy?
A new guy, guy, a British wizard, looking for a load of magical beasts that he's lost.
Beasts?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
What do you mean, lost?
He's lost them. They're all over the city, and he's looking for them with a couple of nomads.
Which beasts? Is he looking for a unicorn?
Yeah, I think he said that.
Ha-ha! Ali, that's it! That's how we can get the missing ingredient!
Yes, Ollie, it's perfect. All we need to do is find this wizard and follow him until he finds the unicorn, and then we grab it.
And then the potion will be ready!
And the city will be ours!
Doncs res, jo ja us ho havia dit, Veieu com l'Ali i l'Oli ja s'han assabentat que Newt ha perdut totes les seves bèsties fantàstiques. També, a més, saben que els nostres herois estan buscant l'unicorn, que tindrà l'ingredient a dins de la banya. Però què faran? Creieu que el trobaran, aquest unicorn? No, esperem que no, perquè si el troben i aconsegueixen fer la poció màgica, enverinaran a tota la gent de Nova York. Esperem que no, ajudarem els nostres herois. Mentrestant, en Newt, l'Archie i l'Alice, sabeu cap on han anat? Sí, han anat a visitar un circ màgic per veure si en allà troben algú que els pugui ajudar. Vosaltres, aviam, algú d'aquí ha estat mai en un circ màgic? Sí? Qui? No, aquí no en tenim de circs màgics. Anem a veure què hi ha? Què passarà?
Wow, a circus! Look at these amazing circus acts. I've never seen things like this before.
Yes, they're impressive, all right. But don't get distracted. This is exactly the kind of place where my fantastic beasts would hide.
Oh, don't worry, Newt. Nothing gets past us, right, Archie?
What?
What?
There's nothing there.
And
Look.
what are these things?
Here's what we'll do. You two, you look for the fantastic beasts. My old professor, Albus Dumbledore, he will know how to help find them. You two find the beasts, and I'll talk to someone, and I'll see if I can find someone to help.
Yes,
Newt.
Newt.
Oh.
What?
No. Alice, how do we get caught up in these crazy adventures?
I know.
We've been fighting tigers in the jungle,
Yes.
catching Pokemon, Brexit,
Oh, yep.
and now this. This is not what I signed up for.
Oh, Archie, you always worry so much. Look, you should be enjoying this. Look at all these incredible acts. But, I mean, what are these things? They look quite ordinary compared to the rest of the crazy guys.
Oh, my dear. These are not ordinary wardrobes. These are my magical
transporting wardrobes. Every little thing I touch is magic. I am here to entertain you. I'm the most adored magician in the land. You will gasp at my illusions and my wonderfully impressive sleight of hand. Every little thing I do is magic. Don't you think I'm dashing dressed in black? I can make a pretty lady vanish and produce a rabbit from a hat. I am here to entertain you. I'm the most adored magician in the land. Though I shouldn't tell my secrets, I admit I've got a few tricks up my sleeve. Every little thing I do is magic. Don't you see I'm dashing dressed in black? I can make a pretty lady vanish and produce a rabbit from a hat. Every little thing I'll do is magic. Don't you see I'm dashing dressed in black? I can make a pretty lady vanish and produce a rabbit from a hat. Now, these wardrobes have the power to transport anything and anybody between them. Well, that's what they're supposed to do. They weren't working earlier. I need to test them. And for that, I will need a ball. Ball. Thank you. Next, I will need a volunteer. You!
Yes, go on, Archie, you!
You, sir. You look like a man who could face any challenges. Now, will you help me? Good, come on. What you're going to do, my fearless assistant will get the ball, roll the ball towards the second wardrobe, and step into the first wardrobe. By the power of transportation, he will arrive at the second wardrobe in time to catch the ball. Or that's what's supposed to happen. Now, are you ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Archie.
I don't think it worked.
You probably did it wrong. Now, look, come on, let me try. Thank you.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
It worked. That's fantastic.
Wow! Real magic does exist. Tell me, how did it feel to be transported magically?
I actually didn't feel a thing.
Wow! With magic wardrobes, imagine what you could do. You would never have to catch a plane again.
It sure would save a lot of time.
I know, Alice. Alice? What? Is this part of the trick?
It's not a trick, I'm afraid, Archie. No, Archie, this is my sister, Annie. I think the wardrobe might be broken, babe. Yeah, it's definitely still not working.
But I don't understand. It was working perfectly earlier. There must be something blocking that...
Look! One of Newt's fantastic beasts!
Catch Catch it!
Oh, fuck.
Well, it seems I arrived just at the right time.
Albus! You've really helped us. It looks like things were getting a little out of hand. But as always, you've saved the day.
Don't mention it, Newt. Always happy to help. Oh, but who are these lovely people?
These are my new friends. This is Archie. This is Alice. And this?
Annie, at your service.
Oh, enchanted. So I hear that you've got a few beasts left to catch.
Yes. And we could really use your help, Albus. You're not busy by any chance, are you?
Well, for you, Newt, I always have free time.
Yes.
But if I do something to help you, do you think that you could help me out?
Whatever you need, Albus, whatever you need.
Come here. I found out that the evil wizard, Grindelwald.
Grindelwald?
Yes. And his cronies, Ali and Ollie, have come into town. And they've caused some real trouble.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. They have prepared a mind potion.
A potion?
A potion. And this potion can control the mind of anyone who touches it.
No.
Yes. Which could affect the entire city.
My God.
Devious. But we can't let them get away with it.
We won't. They still need unicorn horn to finish their potion. And we're not going to let them have any.
Albus, one problem.
What?
I've lost my unicorn. What if they find it first and use its horn?
We won't let them.
No?
No. We'll find the unicorn first.
Okay.
And then we'll use her as bait.
Yes, Albus. Genius!
Thank you. Right. Let's gather up all the beasts and find this unicorn. There's no time to lose.
Quina emoció! Ara, quina emoció! Ho heu vist que l'Alice té una germana bessona, l'Annie? L'Archie s'ha donat una bona sorpresa, eh? L'Alice no li havia explicat mai que tenia una germana. I mira, així s'han quedat. I, bueno, seran més amics que tindran Newt per acabar de capturar totes les bèsties fantàstiques. I a més, l'heu vist, l'Albus? El coneixeu? L'Albus Dumbledore. És un dels mags més brillants de tots els temps i és el mestre, molt bon amic d'en Newt. Per tant, ja són un munt i han capturat la majoria de les bèsties fantàstiques. Ara només els hi queda l'unicorn. Però com s'ho faran? Ha de ser molt difícil de capturar un unicorn. L'Albus, però, sabeu què? Sap com atreure l'unicorn. Per tant, jo crec que se'n sortiran. Oh, però ja me n'oblidava. Us en recordeu que els malvats Ali i Oli encara volen?
We're never going to find him at this rate.
There's a Pokestop right here. I just need to get a few more balls.
I'm not sure we should have time traveled back to this time. We could get into trouble.
Oh, stop complaining, Hermione. There's Pokemon here you just can't get back in the present day.
Excuse me. What are you doing?
Is that a Pokemon?
Can you see we are in the middle of a pantomime here?
But we're trying to find Pokemon. Are you a Pokemon?
No.
Oh. Ron? Ron? Ron! There! There's one there! Ron, get it!
Look!
Look! Some more fantastic beasts!
Get them!
Wait! We don't have time for this.
But where did they go?
It doesn't matter. We have to find my unicorn.
You're right. Let's go.
Now, where could my unicorn be hiding?
I have searched the highest buildings, I have searched the city streets. Where is my unicorn? I've lost my unicorn.
I have searched the city sewers, I have searched the riverbanks, I've been to Central Park, the Museum of Modern Art,
And I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. I have tried to figure out his potential whereabouts. Maybe he's gone to see the Statue of Liberty. I have been to Staten Island,
been to Harlem and the Bronx.
I have looked everywhere. He's vanished into thin air, but I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
Anyway, I love that song. Good luck finding those beasts.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, we've got to get back to our time now. There's probably going to be another sequel.
Yeah, even though J.K. Rowling is really rich now.
Bye, kids.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Now, I can't see one anywhere. Yeah, are they difficult to find?
Are they difficult? Extremely. It took me ages to find it the first time.
Well, then we're never going to find one.
What? What?
Quiet. I think, if you're quiet, I think she's close.
Oh, come on, this is ridiculous. We're never going to find her at this rate.
You're right. Maybe we need another way. We need to lure her out.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Good idea.
Thank you.
We need to make her come to us. Yes. We need a special dance. And we are going to need a lot of help.
Indeed. Who in the audience can help us? Put your hands up so we can find you.
Okay.
Come on, Annie. Okay. Let's go. Okay, come.
Hello.
And come. Come. Yes. Come on, let's go. Okay. Let's go.
You? Oh, gosh, come on. Come with me. Come on.
Oh, no, sorry, this way.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's go. That's it, very good.
Wow. That's
move
a lot
up.
of volunteers. Come this way.
Yes.
Come this way. Come on.
So move along, well done. Move along.
Come
That's
this way.
it, very good.
This way. And stop.
Okay.
And look. Oh, there's more. There's a lot more.
This is too much help. That's it.
I know.
Finished. Thank you. The stage is only so big.
Hi. Can you tell what your name is?
Okay. Oh, there's more.
And how old are you, Anna?
I am 7 years old.
You're 20 years old. That's very old.
10.
8. And what's your name?
Alejandro.
Of course it is. Alejandro. And how old are you?
7 years old.
7 years old. Hello. And what's your name?
Neil.
Really? That's a great name. And how old are you?
6.
6. And what are your names? What's your name? Noah?
Celia.
Celia.
Claudia.
Claudia?
Martina.
Martina? And Fred. Good. And how old are you? Can you shout your age? How old are you? 8 years old. 8 years old. 8 years old. 8 years old. How old are you? 8. Oh, we've got more. Oh, all right. 8. And you must be 40. 45? 6. How old are you?
Are you 4?
4.
Or 3?
5.
5.
More. Hello. Hello. What's your name?
Albert.
Hello, Albert. And you must be 5.
No.
6?
No.
20?
No.
Go on. How old?
14.
14. Great. Okay, all in here. I need you round me. Right. Can you all shout your name? 1, 2, 3, and all say your name. 1, 2, 3. Yusuf. You're not all called Yusuf. What's your name? Say your name. Go on.
My name is Aina.
Aina. There's always an Aina.
My name is Emma.
Oh.
My name is Laia. My My name is Aina.
They always come in pairs. And you?
My name is Antonio.
Antonio, you were only supposed to get one each.
My name is Sophia.
Hello, Sophia. And the last ones. Okay, everyone. And what are your names?
Ariana.
Ariana?
My name is Antonio.
Are you ready to dance?
Antonio?
My name is Noemi.
You are Fred, aren't you? No. What's your name? What's your name? I'll come back to you. What's your call? What's your name? What's your name? And
I'm Lola. Julia. Lucas.
And finally, the most important, what's your name? Oh, Matteo. What a lovely name. And you're all 100. That's good. Right.
Dumbledore, is it bedtime yet?
I know. Oh, I'm playing my role. Okay, the 1,000 of you, thank you. What we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of a dance. And if you look behind you, the heroes are going to show you a dance.
Are you ready?
Now, they call it the swish.
Swish, swish.
The swish, swish? No, you don't know the swish, swish, do you? Okay, can you practice? Can you practice doing the swish, swish?
Come on, you can do the swish, swish.
Go on.
Ready?
Have a look. Ready? Go on.
That's right, that's right. Go on, look it.
Yeah. Have a look.
Come on, you can do it better than me. Woo, well done. Yay.
Come on.
Oh, professional.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay, now we're going to look out. Watch out for the unicorn. Okay. On 3, everybody's going to start dancing to the music. Watch out for the unicorn. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ready?
Dance.
Swish, swish, bish. Another one in the basket. Can't touch this. Another one in the casket. Your game is tired. You should be down. You're about as cute as an old coupon expired. And karma's not a liar.
Hooray! We found her!
Yes! And isn't she beautiful?
Okay. Thank you. Let's go for a walk.
Very good.
Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hooray! We found the unicorn.
Oh, and she's so pretty. Look at her.
Yes, and so magically powerful. We have to take care and take her away to safety. Come on, you 3.
Okay.
Take her with you.
Not so fast!
Stop what you're doing now.
Stand right there.
Now take that unicorn!
Oh, no, you won't.
Unicorn?
Yes, Albus. Stand back.
Unicorn is ours.
Petrificus totalium.
Whose is that voice?
Albus Dumbledore, interfering with my plans again. And this time, you've involved Nomax.
You won't get away with this, Grindelwald. You never do.
It doesn't look like that this time, Albus. Now that I have this magical unicorn, I can make a potion that can control the mind of every single Nomag in this city, and maybe even the world. So, come, my minions. We have a potion to make.
You can't do this!
Come back with that unicorn!
Stripio!
Inferno!
Get behind me.
Panatio! Enzymada! Limpio!
Take them.
Right. Come on, you two. Get off. Come on. Come on.
You will never.
Get off. Get
You
off
will
us.
never affect muggles anymore.
Get away.
Hooray! And we found all the fantastic beasts.
Yes, we did, Archie. I'll be sure to never let someone touch my suitcase again.
What time is it?
It's
almost midnight.
It's just time for the fireworks display. I love New York. I love New York.
Stars spreading the news. I am living today. I wanna be a part of it. New York, New York. This vagabond shoes are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. I want to wake up in the city that doesn't sleep, to find I'm king of the hill, talk to the hill. This little town blues are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in all New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you. New York, New York. This little town blues are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in all New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you. New York, New York. Thank you.
Yes, hands. Oh my God, I'm knackered now.
Molt bé, gràcies pels aplaudiments. Esperem que hagueu passat una bona i màgica estona. Abans d'acomiadar-nos, volem donar-vos les gràcies un any més per acompanyar-nos. D'acord, sapigueu que l'aportació que heu fet, entrant al teatre, va íntegrament per Mans Unides, per un projecte que tenen a la capital de Madagascar. És sobretot per combatre l'analfabetisme. Penseu que avui aquí amb la Pantomime de Cambridge School recaudem més de 2.000 euros. Gràcies a vosaltres. La Pantomime, però, té una part molt important, que sou vosaltres, i l'altra part important són tots ells, l'equip de professors de Cambridge School, de totes les acadèmies, i volem donar les gràcies també especialment posant noms a la Sara Edge, que està dalt, llum i so. Tenim l'Adam Kirkman, que s'ocupa dels decorats, de l'atrezzo. Adam! També l'Steve s'ocupa de la música. Sisplau, Steve. En Nicholas fa el guió. I enguany la directora era la Kirsty Unicorn. Molt bé. Bona tarda, moltíssimes gràcies. Thank you so much. Per venir un any més i Merry Christmas. Cantem tots junts? Sí?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a